What I personally would like to see is all of the vendors be much more open about, publishing things out to more of a streaming technology like Kafka or something like that. By the way, that's going on in the RFID space, and it's working extremely well. The RFID, some of the newer RFID technology is getting much better in apparel, is getting much better adoption because they're using technology like streaming to get out of this, hey, everything has to be connected to the APIs. Streaming, you can use that information for, package verification. You can use it for, auditing. You can use it for, even like picking potentially and things like that. And you see something like that coming along fairly rapidly because that group of that industry or that portion of things has chosen a much more data-centric approach rather than necessarily just an API-centric approach.
Yep, I'm so aligned with that strategy, is make the data available. That needs to be first and foremost. And for the IT folks, just to kind of condense that into something you might be able to take away. And the high points I heard were replication technology already exists out there. People should be leveraging. It's on vendors to make sure that data, it becomes available from their systems. And then if you're building a data lake, using a common streaming platform to publish data. The one addition I would make, Mark, is I would also emphasize the need for designing with intent to use. Right. I have seen a lot of organizations say we have a data lake strategy and we dump everything in the data lake, and then it becomes like lake by call, which I believe is the deepest lake in the world, and impossible to pull anything out because we never know where anything is.
It's so likely to become a mess, right? The last thing you want, to be able to, the last thing that you want as a person that's in IT that, ready to defend your technology is when someone comes to you and says, hey, we've got all this data in the data lake, why can't I get it?